I could just answer you in general terms. Basta, as I earlier said, ang instruction ni GPNP to run after guns, guns, and gold. We gave instruction sa lahat ng regional directors kung merong presence ng armed group sa area ninyo, dismantle it before election. Yun ang warning ni GPNP. And nung nag-usap kami ni GPNP, I could sense yung seriousness ng kanya. Ang tanong niya pa sa akin nung nag-usap kami, during election period ba po? Because the GPNP is my classmate. During election period ba po, pwede ba ako mag-delete ng mga PINI at RD? Sabi ko, yes. But with approval of the Comelec. So, doon mo makikita na the GPNP, I think, kung there will be instances na yung kapabayaan ng isang commander will threaten yung peace and orderly conduct ng election. We will not hesitate to relieve commander.
Thank you, sir. So for our next media representative is from Remate, Ms. Margie Bautista.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I'm Miss Margie Bautista from Remate and Cavite Transport. Question ko po ay para kay Provincial Director Colonel Alegre. Sir, congratulations po doon sa operation nyo doon po sa bansa, doon po sa Shabu Laboratory. So, ang question ko po ngayon ay regarding po doon sa mga nakatakas na mga suspect, ano na po yung follow-up doon at kung na-file na po kayong kaso sa kanila. Thank you po.
Dr. everyone, with regard to sa mga suspects, we have identified 6 suspects, and one of them is Ibon Masakay. So during the follow-up operation, nakuha namin siya sa Pasay. Siya nag-facilitate ng paano makawala yung iba. So, kinasuha natin siya ng obstruction of justice. At sa ngayon, nag-iwork natin yung lahat ng para makayan natin para dito sa discover natin kahit
Thank you, ma'am. So for our last question, will be coming from Philippine Star, Mr. Ed Amoroso.
Sure, good afternoon, sir. monitor their functions, not only on prominent related duties, but to maintain peace in order. And also sabi nga kasama dito yung preservation. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating pag-monitor sa performance activity, not only of the election-related
Just hope that your comment regarding this advocacy that would start update documents regarding the peace covenant between the leaders of the regional groups and some others in terms of you in the PKP. I'm sure comment regarding that.
Parang hindi ko alam yun ano? Peace Covenant ng
Yes, sir. Start update